Hi guys, this is FD for SageFast.tv once more, back with another video, and today we are going to bring you an update on our Star Network, a project we've reviewed in the past and we've provided some updates in the past, and today we've got some key updates we think are worth sharing with our community. And for those who are not in Star yet, maybe, just maybe, it's time for you to think again. Maybe you need Star in your portfolio. It's up to you, make your own decision, but make sure you watch this before you jump into Star. Anyway, so what I'm going to share with you guys in this video is not financial advice. If you require financial advice, please do your own research. The information in this video is just for educational as well as entertainment purposes. So among some of the trending crypto projects is Star Network, a Polkadot parachain. Since the beginning of the year, which is 2023, the Star token is almost quadrupled in price. And in this video, we are going to unpack, or at least try to unpack, some of the real reasons why Star is outperformed its peers and whether that is sustainable going forward. And for those who are not familiar with Star Network, here is a brief summary of what Star is and what it's aiming to achieve. Now, I've already said it's a Polkadot parachain, and since Polkadot relay chain itself does not support smart contract, Star Network aims to be a multi-chain smart contract platform that will support multiple blockchains and virtual machines. Star Network is a scalable and interoperable infrastructure for Web3, which makes it a decentralized app or dApp hub on Polkadot, which supports Ethereum, WebAssembly, and Layer 2 scaling solutions like ZK rollups. Its sister parachain is Shiden, which is operating on the Kusama network. And you might be wondering, okay, great to know that, but how does Star achieve its objectives? Well, Star Network is a layer 1 protocol for smart contracts that includes rollups for enhanced scalability. As a substrate runtime module library, Star allows developers to add Plasma functions to their substrate chain. The substrate runtime module can be used to customize the substrate core to create an original substrate chain. I know slightly a mouthful, but if you read around substrates and runtime modules, this might make a little more sense. Plasma is a layer 2 infinite scaling solution that can be used to scale computation by structuring economic incentives to achieve an autonomous blockchain. Star Network also facilitates multi-virtual machines, for example, EVM and WebAssembly. By facilitating a multi-chain future, Star Network is driving interoperability through. Now, let's jump into some of the developments on the Star front. Starting with the latest development, which I think is massive. Star Network is partnered with Sony Network Communication, part of Sony Corporation, which is the Japanese multinational conglomerate corporation headquartered in Minato, Japan. And Minato is in Tokyo, by the way. Utilizing Sony Network's communication resources and Star Network's expertise, the two entities will jointly nurture Web3 projects through an incubation program. The Sony Group operates a variety of businesses such as games and network services, music, pictures, entertainment, technology and services, imaging and sensing solutions, and financial services. As a business company of the Sony Group, Sony Network Communications is involved in the communication business, Internet of Things or IoT, artificial intelligence, and solution service businesses, and promotes new businesses by utilizing assets within the Sony Group. In April 2022, Sony Group established Sony Network Communications Singapore Private Limited in Singapore to engage in NFT-related development, outsourcing, and consulting businesses. The Web3 incubation program invites participants from around the world, regardless of their Web3 startup phase. During the incubation program, which will begin in mid-March, the program will include sessions from global venture capitalist firms and Web3 companies, as well as businesses and technology strategy sessions. In mid-June, an offline demo day will be held in Japan during Japan Blockchain Week. Participants to the program will have access to the resources of Sony Network Communications and Star Network, as well as benefit from technical support and financial assistance. Promising companies will be considered for investment from Sony Network Communications. After the incubation program, the program will include demonstrations with Sony Network Communications and product growth support for the Star team. And the incubation program was not the only major recent development for Star Network. Earlier this month, February 2023, Star announced a Web3 hackathon sponsored by Toyota, the largest car manufacturer by cars sold. The goal of the hackathon is to complete products that Toyota employees may actually use in the future. Potential products will not only feature proof of concepts within Toyota, but also for scaling to external parties. The deadline for applications is unfortunately passed. The deadline was 14th of February 2023, and on close or by deadline day, there were over 400 participants to the hackathon. Participants to the hackathon will be required to develop their products on the Star network. And guys, at this point, if you have not been paying attention, now is probably this time to start doing so. This could be Toyota's proper maiden entry into the crypto space. And if their performance elsewhere is anything to go by, then this is one you really need to keep on your radar. That is Star Network. Anyway, another development that that has happened this month of February is the launch by WanChain of Tether's USDT X-Flows on our Star network. By the way, WanChain is a decentralized blockchain interoperability solution, and we've got a video coming, if it's not already posted, where we take a deep dive into WanChain. That one is an interesting one, and I think is the one to watch if you have not watched that one yet. WanChain's USDT X-Flow is a decentralized cross-chain solution that enables native-to-native cross-chain transfers between blockchains, where USDT is natively minted by Tether. X-Flows leverages the power of WanChain's cross-chain bridges to provide easy, non-custodial transfers between chains without the need for centralized exchanges. Native-to-native USDT cross-chain transfers are now live on Arbitrum, Avalanche C-Chain, BNB Chain, Ethereum, OKX Chain, Polkadot, via Astar, Polygon, as well as on Tron. This development could actually be the missing link, in my opinion, for functional cross-chain interoperability across the whole of the crypto ecosystem. Just my opinion, you do your own research, but I believe this is where we are heading with this. Last but not least, Astar's native token, ticker symbol ASTR, has also been listed on new crypto exchanges, centralized exchanges that is, and a full list of those, I'll leave a link in the description for you to check out which exchanges those are. Now, that was something else, wasn't it? Great partnerships, great collaborations. That's our Star network for you, ladies and gents. Do not sleep on this one. Not financial advice, of course. So, if you have watched all the way to the end, have you benefited from Astar's recent price pumps? Did you take any profits? Are you holding Astar for the short term or long term? Let us know in the comment section. Until next time, guys, this is FD465.tv with your updates on Astar network, a project that, for transparency, I do hold in my private portfolio. Until next time, bye for now.